I gained here extremely grateful knowledge here. And as a BSc background student, I gained so many things in the banking products. I don't even know the name of the products, but I learned about all the product name. And I got placed in S Bank as a sales officer as a corporate salary account. So now I am extremely happy and grateful for the BYGC retail banking course. Sir. Myself, Deepa Lakshmi, I'm from Shimoga, and I recently joined the BYGC retail banking course with my sister reference. And also, banking have the secured job and have a safety, and of course, it's the bone of the Indian economy. That's why, sir. In Big C, as a retail banking course, which played a vital role in helping me secure a job in the banking sector. The course content was well structured, practical, like a quiz, and tailored to meet current industry demands. So I choose Big C for the course. The trainers are very knowledgeable and supportive and providing me real world insight that help me build confidence and improve my understanding of core banking concepts. And now I got the job. First day only they will give the real world, like they will teach me the realistic, not we will agree that we will only join to the operational job, and our mindset is like that. But when I joined the BYGC, yeah, this is the real world where we get the sales is also a part of the bank, it's the main source. And I learned this about like this. First we have to build our career in banking, so it's not the second PUC when we have in the 10th year, right? We have to put a one by steps. So sales is the basic steps to the banking. So I choose the sales, and we have to choose the sales when we have to build a bank. But robot not even do the sales, right? We have to do the sales and we have to contribute the bank by sale. They congratulate me and they were shocked because I am from BSc background student. How will you get the bank course? And they will believe in this course. That's why they will join me here. So they are happy now. Firstly, confidence. First thing, and the product like CASA, FD, retail banking, like the FD lockers, KYC, mainly KYC, credit card, debit cards, like that. First we have to know the customer, and we have to manage the customer relationship, how we have to manage the customer relationship, like that. Point to point they will teach me. I lost the confidence without BYGC. I don't have the confidence to attend the interview, but now I will attend the any interview, any placement, any location. I will attend the interview. They will give me the mock interview test every day. Every day they will give me the mock interview session. So I gain the knowledge about the interview, how we have to practice, and they will give me the communication class also. I would highly recommend this course to anyone looking to start in a career in retail banking like this. I will highly recommended this course to them. Thanks to BYGC, very thanks to them. I not only gained the relevant skills but also received excellent placement support that led to my employment as a fresher. So thank you so much.